Suppose a payment stream consists of $19.50 due today and $3,500 due in 18 months. These payments are going to be replaced by an equivalent stream comprised of an undetermined payment due in 10 months from now and a payment of $3,000 due in 24 months. Let's try to figure out the unknown replacement payment if we know that money can earn 8% compounded monthly. What we're going to do is set up a time diagram to help us work through this problem. So I've put our four main dates of interest along the top of our time diagram. Let's go ahead in black and draw out the first payment stream, the one where we had $1,950 due today and $3,500 due 18 months from today. And then in green, we're going to jot down some information about the second equivalent payment stream, which had an unknown number of dollars due 10 months from today, and a payment of $3,000 due 24 months from today. Now, in order to compare these two payment streams, we are going to have to pick a focal date and try to move all of our monies to that particular focal date. No matter which focal date we choose, we are going to have to move three of our payment amounts. So I think because it can be sometimes annoying to have to move an unknown value around, let's go ahead and take the 10-month mark as the focal date. And from here, we now can start to visualize a game plan. If we move our $3,000 payment to coincide with our unknown payment X, we should be able to add up these two values. Similarly, if we move our $3,500 and $1,950 also to the same time step at 10 months, we can add up these values. And then once we have these values added up, we should be able to compare them in order to find X. Let's begin by trying to find the principal amount or present value of our $3,000 payment that's happening at the 24-month mark. I know that we have to use the present value formula because my arrow is pointing towards the left. So let's take our $3,000 and divide by 1 plus I. I in this case is 8% compounded monthly, and then we need to figure out the value of N. Since our frequency number is monthly, and the amount of time between 10 months and 24 months is 14 months, that implies that N should be equal to 14. And simplifying this expression, we get $2,733.52. Next is step 2, which is to find the future value of $19.50. So we're going to multiply that by 1 plus I. Since our frequency number is 12 and we need to move this forward 10 months in time, that means that N here should be equal to 10. This gives a future value of this particular amount of money to be $2,083.97. And lastly, we need to find the present value of our payment of $3,500 at the 18-month mark. We're going to take our $3,500, divide by 1 plus I, and there are 8 months between our focal point and the payment. So we should take N here to be equal to 8. Simplifying this expression, we get $3,318.81. So in our last step, what we want to do is to compare some of these values that we got. So we agreed before that our final step should be X dollars plus what we got in round 1. That was our green payment stream. And we want that green payment stream to be equal to the black payment stream, which was 2 plus 3. Adding up the values that we get in steps 2 and 3, we obtain $5,402.78. Now our left-hand side, we have X dollars plus the amount that we found in step 1, which is $27.33.52. This means that X dollars should be the subtraction of $54.0278 and $27.33.52. In other words, the missing payment that we're looking for is $2,669.26.